Hi, my name is Declan, and today I'm going to be stepping on fidgets and probably breaking my feet. Let's go. First, we're going to do a Rubik's Cube. You may think this doesn't hurt, but who knows? 3, 2, 1. It doesn't really feel comfortable. I'll give it a 2 out of 10. It's not comfortable, but it doesn't do much. Next are these magnets. You may think they don't hurt. They probably don't. What? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Jesus. I give that a 1 out of 10. It's horrible. Next, oh God, is this thing. This is gonna hurt. I'm just gonna mess it all up. 3, 2, 1, go. That's a severe 9 out of 10. Next, I'm going to step on. Next, I'm going to step on this thing. Probably doesn't hurt because it's a poppet. Who knows? 3, 2, 1, go. It doesn't feel normal. Next, we're going to do 256 poppet. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Still, it feels the same. Doesn't really have anything. I give it a 3 out of 10. Next, we're going to be stepping on this frisbee. I'll do it this way up, I guess. It may not be a fidget, but
hold on, folks. We're not stepping on just fidgets. We're stepping on everything,
including my own foot. 3, 2, 1, go. It feels like normal walking. 0 out of 10. It's horrible. Doesn't feel like anything.
Okay, what's the next thing you're gonna walk on?
I'll walk on all these Pokemon cards. 3, 2, 1, go. It just feels like you're walking on paper. Next, I'm gonna walk on this guy. I give the Pokemon 0 out of 10. 3, 2, 1, go. It's horrible. 2 out of 10. Next would be a glue stick. I'm grabbing random objects. I'm gonna put it right side up. 3, 2, 1, go. It doesn't feel like anything except, yeah, fly. Next, I'm gonna be stepping on. Also, I give it a 1 out of 10. Nothing. This magic model magic. It's gonna feel weird. 3, 2, 1, go. I give it a 4 out of 10. It's not really painful, but I guess I could deal with it. You know.
Hi guys, I'm stepping in now.
Come on, you're the cameraman. I pay you $15 every video.
I need to be in the video for once.
You're fine.
No stuff in this.
You're fine. My cameraman is a big jerk. 3, 2, 1, go. Also has a tech deck. It doesn't really feel like anything. Who knows? Next, I'm gonna step on this. I also give it a 3 out of 10. 3, 2, 1, go. It's really uncomfortable, and, well, it's just uncomfortable, and it doesn't feel normal because it's rubber. I know it's, they can't see over here. Okay, yeah, I think that wraps up the video now. Goodbye. Also, it's a rating 1 out of 10.